When in Level 2, go to Tools, then select Change Time. A password may be required. As default, this is 7654. In this menu, the time and date can be changed. To change the time, hover over Time and enter the time as 4 digits. For example, to change the time to 3:30, enter 1530. To change the date, hover over the date and enter the date as 6 digits. For example, if the date is the 1st of January 2021, enter 010121. If the time and date is changed on Node 1, all of our nodes on the network will sync to this time and date.